Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Second Splash review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more monthly recurring commissions have recently come in, and that takes me $189 into profit with Second Splash. But more importantly in this video, I want to show you how even as a free member, you can start to earn these monthly recurring commissions, and you can also get viral passive traffic. A bit later on in the video, I'm going to share with you a done-for-you funnel that our team's created, totally free to use. And what that will do, that will add multiple recurring income streams. You just promote one link and you can get a done-for-you funnel with our free system. So I'll just come to that a bit later on and show you some more proof of how that's working as well. So I'm live here in my Gmail accounts where I get my notifications for Second Splash. And this one here says subscription renewal, and it came in just an hour. Came in just an hour ago. I'll show you there, an hour ago. If I scroll down here, it shows you the amount. So for me, it's $10.48. I get 50% monthly recurring commissions as a pro member. As a free member, you would get 25% monthly recurring commissions. I got a free upgrade because I promote the sister product, Easy Cash for Ads, which is the same owners as Second Splash. So it's always worth becoming an affiliate, because then you get these little bonuses, these little benefits. As a JV partner, we've upgraded you to Platinum Pro status for free. So you get these benefits. It's worth becoming an affiliate because you get all these little benefits from the owners if anything else is going to be launched or is going to come out. So I'm live here in my dashboard for Second Splash. So the link in the description is where you can join our team and set up a free account. The first thing to do is to go into here and see how all this works. And this is sort of a step-by-step how everything works, how to set up your splash pages. I'm getting clicks every single week automatically. So my clicks here on my splash pages are going up every single week. These lead to a lead capture page. So the video tutorial teaches you how to set all that up. I'll go into commissions here and just show you. Actually, first of all, I'll just show you this commission here. This is what's in arrears. This is what I'm owed. So your commissions are 1 month in arrears. So I'll get paid those out next month. And you can see in here all the total commissions here that I've earned so far. And this one here is a $97. I want to draw your attention to this because you can even sometimes earn higher ticket commissions, because some of your referrals might decide they want to join like mine did here and pay up front for a whole year. And that was a $97 one-off payment for me, rather than receiving all these monthly ones here. But I just want to share with you that you can actually get higher ticket commissions. Even as a free member, you would have got $50 there for that one. So it all starts to add up. I'll show you now the bonus income. I'll go back into the stats dashboard. The bonus income here is Easy Cash for Ads, and I recommend you join Easy Cash for Ads with your bonus income, because this is also a high converting product. If you have a look at my channel here, you'll see just by promoting Easy Cash for Ads alone before Second Splash was launched, I'm $770 into profit with Easy Cash for Ads. So that's a high converting product, an in-demand product. And I've earned 100% commissions 20 months in a row with Easy Cash for Ads. So you can not only join Easy Cash for Ads within Second Splash. I'm jumping all over a little bit here, but Easy Cash for Ads is something you join. You go into bonus income. You join Easy Cash for Ads here. And then when you join, you put your own username update and your referrals will join Easy Cash for Ads there. And then you can promote Easy Cash for Ads by itself as a standalone product. So you'll not only earn commissions from your potentially earn commissions from your second splash referrals. You'll see here, if I minimize this table here, come down and minimize this. Each of these is a $10 payment, and they've been coming in now for 20 months in a row. And you also earn passive commissions from Easy Cash for Ads, not just referral commissions, but you also earn passive commissions. If you consistently promote it and you put the foundations in place, then it's a great product to earn an additional income stream. They call it a bonus income, but I do recommend you join this, and I recommend you promote it as a standalone product as well. I want to show you all the free tools and resources. This is a free done-for-you funnel if you join our team that we're going to give you. And I'm going to show you how you can earn an additional income stream by using this system. So we give you this lead capture page here. And it's a very professionally done lead capture page. And all you do is, when you opt in, you join Second Splash, you'll be redirected to this page here. So you join Second Splash here. And then we give you this funnel here where you can use the Leads Leap tools, and then your affiliate link will go into here. We teach you how to set all this up. It's very beginner friendly. It's all step by step. But what happens is it's a done for you funnel that will promote Second Splash and Leads Leap. So you're adding an extra income stream into your Second Splash funnel. Very, very simple. You follow the video tutorials. You will then put your affiliate link in here. So your prospects will join this page here. They will come through to this page here. They will join Second Splash here, and then they'll join Leads Leap here if they want to set up the funnel. Now, if you're a free Leads Leap member and they want to upgrade, you will earn an additional monthly recurring income stream. As a free member, it's 25%. You'll see here that I've earned $466 with Leads Leap. I'm live in my dashboard, showing you my my account. $25 in recurring commissions came in the last 24 hours. So this is just an additional income stream. If you set the funnel up, then you can just promote that one page, and then you can earn multiple income streams. And even if you stay a free member with Second Splash and a free member with Leads Leap, you're still going to earn monthly recurring commissions. And you're going to get viral passive traffic in the process as well. So I have sort of jumped from page to page and system to system a little bit here today. But it is very, very simple. Once you get everything set up, you just promote this page, and then you can start to earn those commissions when your referrals upgrade. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you've enjoyed it, please give me a like. I'd appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you think of anybody else that would enjoy this video, then please share it as well. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon. Then you'll get notified of all my new videos. Currently, I'm doing several new videos every week. I'm now approaching 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about Second Splash, about Easy Cash for Ads, about the funnel, about Leads Leap, you don't have to do all of these things here. You don't have to join Easy Cash for Ads. You don't have to join Leads Leap. You can just promote using the resources you get inside of Second Splash, but we do recommend taking the time to set all this up. It's very beginner friendly. Set it all up, start promoting, and then that way you can earn, you can start to earn multiple income streams with that one link. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.